Did you know that small business optimism hit the highest level since 2018, even as inflation continues to challenge the economy? Welcome to the Experian Commercial Pulse Update for February the 11th, 2025. Okay, let's dive in with some macroeconomic trends. Inflation is still on the rise, hitting 2.9% in December, the highest we've seen in 6 months. And this means everyday goods and services are getting more expensive, putting pressure on both consumers and businesses. Unemployment dropped slightly to 4% in January, marking the lowest level since April of 2024. And while this signals a strong labor market, it also raises questions about future interest rate cuts. The economy added 143,000 jobs in January, significantly lower than the revised 307,000 jobs in December, and the lowest growth in 3 months. And this could indicate a slowing labor market. GDP growth for Q4 came in at 2.3%, down from 3.1% in Q3. And while the economy remains strong, this slowdown suggests businesses may be feeling the effects of high interest rates. When we think about sentiment in the economy, we see a divergence. Consumer sentiment fell to 71.1 in January, down from 74.0 in December, and 10% lower than a year ago. And this suggests that consumers may be more cautious about spending. Small business optimism, however, surged to 105.1 in December, up from 101.7 in November. And this is the highest level since October of 2018, signaling that despite economic uncertainty, small businesses remain hopeful about future conditions. With an economy as dynamic as this one, small business risk can shift in an instant. While business owners may be feeling optimistic according to the NFIB survey, credit data can tell a different story. To help risk professionals, lenders, and businesses stay ahead, we have launched the Experian Small Business Index, a comprehensive data-driven tool that tracks the financial health of small business owners and their businesses across the US on a monthly basis. Experian trained the model for the index on data dating back to 2006. The December reading of the index now stands at 40.5, reflecting a decline from 42.9 last month and a significant 11-point drop from last year. Looking at historical data, we see a clear pattern. The pandemic shutdowns led to a steep decline in small business activity. Then we see stimulus programs helping to drive the recovery, followed by rapid expansion in early 2021. And more recently, high interest rates and economic uncertainty have led to a steady decline. The transition to a new presidential administration has also introduced policy shifts that could impact small business planning and investment decisions. Differences in the index become apparent when splitting by state. Southern states are experiencing strong growth in new and emerging small businesses. However, lenders are hesitant to extend credit, making it harder for these businesses to thrive. Texas has an overall index value of 11.2, but industries like wholesale trade and agriculture are doing significantly better. New Jersey, on the other hand, has an above-average index of 60.2, but not all industries in the state are performing equally. For lenders, the Experian Small Business Index presents a potential opportunity, especially in high-growth areas where small businesses are struggling to access the credit they need. Small businesses are facing mixed economic signals, with inflation still a concern, but optimism on the rise. And the credit market is shifting, and lenders have an opportunity to meet some unmet demand in emerging business markets. And you can learn more about and subscribe to updates about the Experian Small Business Index at experian.com/small business index. And for more insights and thought leadership resources, subscribe to the Experian Commercial Insights Hub. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course, and reach out to your Experian account team to explore insights tailored to your business needs. And that's it for this update. We'll see you on the next one. Stay informed, stay ahead, and thanks for watching.